guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's channel I'm going to be showing you guys some of the E.L.F products that I bought recently, and I have mentioned them in my prior video from the Ulta haul, and I'm going to be trying them in today's video. These are my first impressions, and yeah, if you like to see it, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos of me. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to be using the E.L.F matte putty primer. They have 3 of them, so I decided to do the matte because I like a matte finish. So I'm just going to apply this on the areas where I usually get oily, which is like my nose and my T-zone area. I had already done my brows off camera. I'm going to just put some on my forehead. So, by the way, this is the first time I'm trying it out. So basically, most of my products that I have here on my table are like first time ever. I had mentioned these products on my, not my last video, but the video prior to that, on my Ulta haul, the ones I got, and this was one of them. Put in them where usually I get oily, and that's so annoying. And now that we wear masks, like right here on my laugh line, it like gets so ugly, you know, taking your mask on, putting it on. So I feel like I need to put extra primer here. Okay, I think that's enough. That's where I usually get like oily. This is like a nice silky primer. So now that that's set in, I'm gonna go in with which one is this one? The E.L.F Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish, and this is in the color Medium Peach. This is the first time I'm using this concealer, and I'm just gonna put this concealer on my eyes like I usually do with my Tarte. Put very little. Just want to see how it looks, how it finishes on the skin. So when I'm out of this school, I'm gonna wet my beauty sponge and just blend it out. I don't know how I feel about it. I have to wet my sponge a little bit more than I usually do. Okay, yeah, that's what it was. I mean, so far it's okay, the concealer. Now I'm just gonna go in with the L'Oreal Inflatable setting powder and just set that. So I can go ahead and then go in with the eyeshadow. Okay, it's coming along great. Okay, so on to eyeshadows. So I picked up also this from Ulta. It's the E.L.F bite-sized eyeshadow, and this is in the color Truffles. So it's a small eyeshadow palette. It costs like $3. Go in with this color right here, this second shade for my crease. And I'm just going to add 2 colors today, keep it casual. I don't want nothing dramatic since I'm going out. So let's see how this blends. Definitely got to build up gotta build up the eyeshadow on your brush because it's really light. Go in with the concealer again and just clean it out a bit on the lid. That way when I put my other color, it doesn't look too like tacky. So I'm just going to clean it out a bit so I can have like a fresh, clean lid. And with the first shade, which is like a nice shimmer color, it's like a dark brown. And actually I'm going to get this other brush. This is a more detailed brush. I'm just going to dip my brush on there to get all the eyeshadow. I think I took too much. So I'm going to put that on my lid. Now the shimmer eyeshadow is pigmented, so that's a good sign. I'm going to go in with the E.L.F. liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to do that off camera because it's just easier for me to finish this eye, and then the other eye I'll do it afterwards. So now I'm going to go in with this foundation from E.L.F. and this is in the color Warm Yellow. I'm not sure about the color. I have to see if it's my skin tone or not, but we're about to find out. So I put a very small drop on the back of my hand just to see if it's my color or not. I'm actually gonna try it my cherry and see. Just finished completing the other eye and I just finished my whole face. I put powder to set everything in. Now I'm gonna go in with blush, and this is in the color Always Rosy from E.L.F. Just gonna put very little. Next, I'm going to go in with the E.L.F. highlighting palette, the Glow Gleam one. And this is the dark palette. And with my highlighter brush, I'm just going to go in and use this pretty color over here. Metallic. Put a little bit and see. Looks super long. I have to put my little mirror to see. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but this is such a pretty highlighter. Okay, and then I'm going to put some on my nose. Give it some shine. From up here. For lips, I'm going to be using this color. This is from ColourPop, the color Butter. Guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys love it and enjoyed my video. So I'm going to let you guys know what I liked and what I didn't like that I brought. The first thing that I love was the highlighting palette. Can't go wrong with it. It looks so beautiful on the skin. I love the colors. So I definitely recommend this. The concealer, I love it. It's really a nice duplicate to the Tarte concealer. The formula, everything is basically the same. The only difference is the Tarte is a little bit more full coverage than this concealer. But it's also really good. I really recommend that one. And the foundation. The foundation was pretty good. I mean, it's not a foundation that I would tend to go to because it's medium coverage. I like a full coverage foundation, but I wanted to try it because I read a lot of reviews that people said it was really good on their skin. I really had to like build up my coverage on this foundation. Like I said, I like a full coverage, but if you don't really have to. So I really recommend this one if you into the medium coverage foundation. The only dislike I have is the E.L.F palette. I mean, it was $3 for a reason, but I didn't like it. The colors weren't pigmented at all. I think the only one that was really pigmented was the glitter one, and that was about it. The brown here was very patchy when I applied it on the eye, which I didn't like. I had to like keep blending and like play around with it so it can look like really nice blend together. So I wouldn't recommend if you wanted to get one of these bite-sized palettes. The primer matte, I'm not sure how I feel about it. I literally put a little bit on my T-zone area and around places where I would tend to get oily, so I guess I would have to see throughout the day if it really will like prevent my my oiliness to like appear. And I mean, it blurred out a little bit. I can tell if we go up close in the mirror, I could tell like it blurred out some of my blemishes. I do like that it was silky, so I felt like it was a moisturizer. And it smells pretty good. But yeah, I mean, I don't really feel like you really need to get this primer. I feel like there's other primers that are a little bit more better than this one. But if you want to try it, you can go ahead and try. But yeah, guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And until next time, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And bye.